Hello children, today I will continue chapter number 15. Uh, Earlier in the last video, I have discussed the concept of electric charge, how it takes place. Now today I will discuss the types of charges and their interaction. So as you know that there are two types of charges, they are positive and negative charge. And children, you know that two charges either they attract or either they repel each other. So what is the criteria when they repel or when they attract? So we can do it by small activities, or we can perform the activities, then you will come to know that what type of charges repel and what type of charges attract each other. So like charges, like or similar charges. Similar charges means both positive and unlike charges means one positive and one negative charge. So here I am saying that like or similar charges, they always repel each other, and unlike charges like one positive and one negative charge, they always attract each other. So this is a criteria. Now on the base of this criteria, we'll discuss the concept of attraction and repulsion. So like charges repel each other and unlike attract each other. So children, let's do an activity first of all for repulsion, that how similar charges or like charges repel each other. So here is an activity. We have taken two balloons, inflate that balloons and hang them in such a way that they should not touch each other. Okay, and then rub both the balloons with a piece of woolen cloth and release them. Then what will happen, as both the balloons are rubbed with the same type of cloth, so they will acquire the same charge. That's why they will repel each other. As you can see in the figure, how the balloons are moving away from one another, it means they are repelling each other. And here one more activity is here, one more example of plastic refill we have taken. Take two plastic refills and rub with the polythene and place it in a glass tumbler. Place one of the refill with a glass tumbler. Now that one will happen again. If one refill you have rubbed with the polythene, then rub the another refill with that polythene and bring that refill to the another one. As both the refills are rubbed with the polythene, so they will acquire the same charge, and when both the refills are brought together, they will repel each other. So in both the activities we have seen that if both the things are rubbed with the same material, so they acquire the similar charges, and similar charges repel each other. So children, on the other hand, we can do one activity in which we can see that like charges attract each other. So here is the activity, same materials we are using here also. Balloon was rubbed with a woolen cloth and pencil, that refill was rubbed with the polythene. Now let's see what happens when both the materials are brought together each other. Then what happens, as they have acquired different charges, now they attract each other. So here we can see, or children, you can do this activity. Balloons are easily available, refill is easily available, woolen cloth is there, plastic sheet is there, so you can perform this activity. So and that will become more clear to you that how the opposite charges, they attract each other. So children, this was a concept of charges, how unlike and like charges attract and repel each other. So we can perform the different activities. So in next video we'll continue the concept of attraction and repulsion more. Okay, thank you children.